Hello and welcome to day 3 of learning Python from ChatGPT. So let's get started and ask ChatGPT for the second lesson. Hello, please. Second lesson. I see. Day 3. What is it? Today's lesson will introduce you to variables and data types in Python. You learn how to declare variables, assign values to them, and understand the different data types available in Python. Variable is a named location used to store data in memory. You can create a variable in Python by simply assigning a value to it using the equals operator. So yes, there's no types in Python, which is quite good, but surely there must be like a way in like type ID like you have in C++. And I suppose it's like doing auto name equals Alice and then implicitly converting it to a string if you've got the header. Okay. So Python has several built-in data types. The most commonly used ones are string, integer, float, and bool. Yep, so I know all of these. So name is Alice. Okay, that's a float. Do they have reals in Python? Because, yeah. Here's a small fragment. Didn't they just, yeah. Create and print variables. It keeps giving me the answer though. Oh, yeah. It's kept all of the information. And how does it know this? This is all true. How? Okay, let me implement this. So, I'm gonna use the comments. Then, where's my... project? New Python file day 3. Okay, so we'll do the comment. So name equals Robert, age equals 15. I'll do these all now. Favorite color. I spell favorite one. Favorite color equals blue. When trying to do data type, is student history. No, it's brackets. So print name. Oh no, because in Python, isn't it? You can just do that, and then the comma just adds a space for you. So yeah. I keep on doing semicolons. Just do some spelling corrections here. I've got my contact lenses in today, so it's more a bit blurry. favorite. I'll just stick the American spelling. Print. Okay, let's run this. How do we select this as? Run. Yep, this is all correct. Now let's go. Oops, I was doing index sequence before then. Oh yeah, there's the. What were these? Let's see. Create variables of typing. Oh yeah, okay. So that's like type ID. We can just add it in this one. Print type name. Print type age. And then print type. I'll see if it now runs. Oh yeah, it does. Oh, it's even got the templates. Class string. Yep. So second exercise. Oops. Modifying print. Okay, so we're just reassigning. Okay. I wonder if you can use the ++ operator. Let's see. So next. No. Age next year equals age plus 1. How is it unexpected expression syntax? I'll just do age. But I don't know why you can't do the same line. Because surely you just